Landon here with Not Your Average Joe's Garage. It's been a while since I've posted anything, so I thought I would give kind of my taste on how I do my faux patina. Well, let's get started. I first started by DAing the whole truck with 800 sandpaper. You can see I'm misting it on to help when I go to feather it in with the sandpaper. Here I switched to the light gray primer to kind of give it a worn look in certain locations. Alright, this is where the fun begins. I start with a maroon color Scotch-Brite. I stick with this circular motion to kind of feather in all of the high spots and knocking them down, getting ready for wet sanding. Alright, this is where I step up to the 1500 grit sandpaper. I work the 1500 grit sandpaper in a circular motion as well, basically smoothing out the primer. I use 1000 grit to knock everything down and then work the feathering effect with the 1500 grit. I make sure that I keep it wet so I don't clog up the paper, as well as when the paper's clogged, it starts to scratch the primer. So the more wetness, the better it is. Alright guys, I wet it down for the last time. I come back with a towel, give it a good wipe, give it a good look, go over, make sure I'm happy with the faux patina or rub look that I'm achieving. Here it is after a bath, out in the sun. That way you can kind of see all of the colors come to life. I wanted to thank you guys for watching this YouTube video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and comment.